be Bobby who'll push me again. Huh? It's Squirrel. Giant acorns. No one will find them here. Perfect. Hey, Squirrel. Why are you hiding the acorns?
What do you mean, why? Because I don't want anyone to eat these except for me. And now you know I'll have to hide them again.
Hey, where are you going?
It's a secret! Don't follow me!
Oh, Squirrel, wait!
You shouldn't wander around late at night, kid. So this is your house, huh?
Yes, but who are you?
I'm the guardian of the forest, saving animals in danger.
A guardian? Wow, that's cool! I'm telling you, he was really awesome. Wow, what does he look like? He has huge, round, shiny eyes. And, yeah, his wings were this big. Oh, and,
Are you talking about Mr. Owl?
Mr. Owl? But where can we meet Mr. Owl?
Over there. There is an old Zelkova tree. That's Mr. Owl's house.
Mr. Owl! Mr. Owl! Where are you?
Oh, the little pheasants! Why are they here? I better find a better place.
Where are you? Hey, Squirrel!
Hey, why are you following me?
Did you see Mr. Owl? Mom said he lives in the Zelkova, but we can't find him.
Mr. Owl. He may be inside that hole. Have you checked it?
Oh, no.
Oh, gosh. I'll go check then. Someone's here!
Is that Mr. Owl?
I'm not sure. I'll ask him. Let me see. Hello? Excuse me? Say something. He's not moving at all. I don't know what else to do. You'd better check yourself.
Right. Well, let's go up and check. Okay, let's do it.
What? Are you really coming up? It's not easy to climb up a tree for birds.
Well, we can do it too. Please help us!
Oh,
Mommy! Whoa! We're flying! Mr. Owl, you came to help us again.
Of course, I'm the guardian, responsible for the safety in the forest.
Wow! Bravo, Mr. Owl!
Huh?
Mom! Mr. Owl saved us again.
Oh, really? Is everyone all right?
Yes!
Thank you so much, Mr. Owl.
Oh, you're welcome. That's the guardian's responsibility. Now, good day.
Thank you, Mr. Owl.
Take care.
Goodbye, Mr. Owl.
weather is beautiful.
Mommy, we're gonna go play with these pinwheels.
Now don't go too far, children.
Okay. Hey guys, my pinwheel is the fastest pinwheel of all.
Hi there, I'm here to report the weather, friends.
What is this?
Heavy rains are headed east.
What are you doing? And who are you?
Oh, sunshine, rainstorms, here to report all things weather. Mr. Swallow at your service.
Wow!
How do you know so much about the weather?
I can see for 100 miles. I clearly see a tropical storm headed right this way. Children, hurry home and stay inside.
Tropical storm? But look, the weather's too nice for a storm. Well, look at that. It's my turn to report the weather, guys.
Huh? Is that right?
That's right, and it's going to be sunny for the entire day. So let's stay outside and play all day. Woohoo!
Huh? That's not right! There really is a storm on its way here! Huh? Aha!
Mr. Swallow, what is it?
The storm is even closer than I thought. Kids, it is up to me to warn the forest animals right away! Make sure you kids get back home, okay?
Yeah!
Bobby, do you really think it's going to rain?
It could. What are you doing, Bobby? Come play. There's no storm coming. All right, then.
Oh, wait for me, Bobby.
Attention, forest friends! There's a storm coming! Get inside! Attention! A storm is coming! Get inside! A strong storm is on the way.
Hurry, hurry.
Attention! A strong rainstorm is coming.
Really? A storm?
Yes.
Oh, I hope my children are on their way back.
Say, would your children happen to be playing with some pinwheels?
Yes, I better leave now so I can get them.
Oh.
I'm the fastest.
Oh. It's spinning really fast on its own. That was cold. What are you doing, Chip? I think I just felt a raindrop.
Huh?
Raindrop?
She's right. Hey guys, let's go fast. Hurry, old Chip! Welcome, Dad!
Oh, the kids! You're okay, kids.
Mommy!
Are you kids okay?
Yes, we're okay.
Great. Let's get you all back home.
Yes. I'm so glad you're all safe. Now, kids, keep in mind, storms are not to be taken lightly.
Right. Mr. Swallow, could you please always warn us about bad weather?
Why, yes. Oh. This weather report just in. Look, the sun is about to appear. Pheasants, make sure you're ready to go outside and play again.
Woohoo! Let's play! Are you thirsty, little flowers? Drink a lot so you can grow big and strong. Huh? Katuri, are you all right? Look at my flower.
Dury's beautiful little flower has withered.
I took really good care of it.
Then why did the flower wither like that?
Well, I really don't know for sure.
Aww.
But I do know someone who could tell us why.
You do?
Yay!
Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Welcome to Grammy Bowerbird's garden. She's the very best gardener around.
Then she should know what's wrong with my flower, right?
We'll see. I'll go in and get Granny Bowerbird. You chicklings wait out here.
All right.
Granny Bowerbird, are you home?
Sure am. Come on in.
Wow! That flower's really beautiful. And it smells so wonderful. Wow! It smells great.
Wow! Tomatoes and cucumbers! They look yummy! Should I turn it on? Whoa!
Oh! Goodness, Jack! Oh! Jack, stop!
I don't know how! I can do it!
Hey, Chip, let's grab the hose at the same time. All right.
I thought it would never stop!
Huh? Mommy!
Children? Huh? Chicklings, what happened?
Well, I was just playing with the hose a little and... Whoa!
Oh no! We made a mess of the beautiful garden. Granny Bowerbird, you must be so upset. We're in big trouble.
Now, who gave my beautiful flowers and plants so much water? Well, I guess that makes you a bunch of little rascals then, huh?
Huh? We're very sorry, Granny Bowerbird.
Plants and flowers are stronger than you may know. With a little help from you chicklings, they'll be as good as new again in no time. Well, what do you think? Should we help our little plant friends get better? First of all, we need to make sure all our plants are standing straight upright.
Mm-hmm.
Slide in a nice tall stick and tie the plant to it good and tight.
Oh, the cucumbers are back to standing up.
Now, why don't you give it a try?
Okay. I am sorry that we knocked you over.
But we'll stand you tall and straight again.
There, the thing to remember when you're repotting a plant is to move it gently and carefully, just like I did there.
Gently and carefully.
Gentle and careful.
Well done. Everyone did a wonderful job.
Huh? Granny Bowerbird, can you please check my flower? It hasn't been doing very well, but I don't know what's wrong.
Let me check. Looky there. I've got it. This little flower just needs to move to a bigger house.
A bigger house? beautiful flowers all better.
Hooray!
You little pheasants have worked very hard and helped me make my beautiful garden all healthy again as well.
Flower, I promise that I'll take really good care of you from now on. Come here, Chip.
Let's put it in here.
Phew.
Whoa. How pretty. What are these things?
Those? Those are milk bottles from Mrs. Cow. I need to return them to her.
Mommy, we can do that for you.
You can bring these all by yourself.
Well, sure. Right, guys?
On our way to Mrs. Cow.
You kids, be careful!
Huh? A yummy raspberry? Oh, wait for me, guys! Yeah.
There.
Thank you so much.
I need a rest.
What exactly is going on here?
We're returning these to Mrs. Cow, and we're starting to get tired. It's exhausting work.
Well, why don't you ask Mr. Hummingbird for help?
Mr. Hummingbird, you say?
Mm-hmm. Mr. Hummingbird delivers things to me all the time. Look. However, you'll need to give him a raspberry to do the delivery.
I got that covered. Look, 1 raspberry.
Oh, that's perfect. I'll take you to him. Well, this is the delivery center.
Wow.
Such a busy day. Whoa.
Mr. Hummingbird,
What do we have here?
we have some milk bottles that need to be returned to Mrs. Cow.
Oh. They look like heavy bottles.
Aw. Does that mean you won't be able to deliver them for us?
We wanted you to deliver these. We even brought a raspberry.
On second thought, I'll deliver that for you, kids.
Oh, thank you. Here you go. Have a nice delivery.
Well, here goes nothing. All right, time for me to deliver.
Mommy,
You kids are back so early.
we had an idea. We asked Mr. Hummingbird to deliver the bottles.
Those bottles are probably at Mrs. Cow's already.
Those bottles are probably too heavy for Mr. Hummingbird. Let's go visit Mrs. Cow and find out if the bottles were delivered.
Okay.
Come on. Just over this hill. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Come on. Oh no! My precious package! Huh? What have I done?
Don't worry, Mr. Hummingbird.
What are you all doing here? I don't know what to say.
We can help you.
Huh?
Yeah, we can help you.
Yeah! We did it! Thank you, everyone. Mrs. Cow, she must be wondering where these are. I better hurry.
Right. We can help you.
Delivery for Mrs. Cow!
Hi, Mrs. Cow.
Oh my, you came such a long way. Thank you all very much.
Well, thank you. We enjoyed the milk, Mrs. Cow. It's the least we could do.
That's good. Can I interest you all in a cup of fresh milk?
Wow! Thank you, Mrs. Cow!
Drinking this milk makes me feel good and strong.
Here, subscribe to our channel.